How to activate your Santander Bank debit card. Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'll walk you through how to activate your Santander Bank debit card so you can start using it right away. When your new card arrives in the mail, the first step is to sign the back for security. After that, you have a couple of easy ways to get it activated. So the first option is a phone. You can call the activation number printed on the sticker that's attached to your credit card and follow the automated prompts on the phone. The next step you can do is via a ATM. So you can head over to any Santander ATM, just insert your card and enter your PIN, and a simple quick transaction will activate your card instantly. Now, the third and the most common way to activate your card is mobile or your online app. So what you can do is first log into Santander Bank online or Santander mobile app. Then you're going to have to find an option to manage your cards. Here you can see these options. So you could just have an option to go to the help section, go to other services. Now scroll down credit card services, then select the activate new card. You could also go ahead and go to the contact page to activate your card. So just go ahead and click on this activate my credit card option and you should be able to do it. And that's all there is to it. It's really fast, safe, and super convenient. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe for more simple tips. I'll catch you on the next one.